Welcome to the Conclave, where we have top-notch professionals from various industries who will talk on digital innovation towards growth and advancement.
Get ready for a day of transformative ideas and networking that will give you direction for the future career.
It is a platform to connect, create, and network, and the Conclave is organized by Chitkara Business School.
In this mega event, we will get to interact and inspire by corporate professionals in this conclave.
Ms. Nidhi S. Mittal, Head of Brand Marketing, Geo7.
Mr. Raghu Radhakrishnan, CEO and MD of T-Max Soft Technologies.
Dr. Ganesh Raja, CEO, Kotak Education Foundation.
Mr. Kapilesh Prakash, Senior Vice President at Sales, Digital Ventures, Geo Cinema, Viacom 18.
Mr. Babu Padmanabhan, Founder and Chief Knowledge Officer, Steel World.
Unlock your potential at this conclave, a source of inspiration, enlightenment, and empowerment like no other.